Looking for the best Boynton Beach home remodeling contractors? You've come to the right place. Today we'll answer your most pressing questions and share some common mistakes to avoid. Let's get started. Not checking for proper licensing and insurance. Always ask for proof before hiring a contractor. This protects you from liability and ensures quality work. Don't skip this crucial step, not getting multiple quotes. Aim for at least 3 to 5 quotes. This helps you compare prices and services. It can save you money and headaches down the line. Not checking references or reviews. Ask for references and look online for reviews. Past clients can provide valuable insights. This helps you make an informed decision. Not having a clear contract in place. A detailed contract outlines all work, timelines, and payment schedules. It sets expectations and protects both parties. Make sure to have one before starting any project. How long have you been in business? We've been serving the Boynton Beach area for over 10 years. Experience matters when choosing a contractor. You can trust our expertise. Do you offer free estimates? Yes, we do. Call us at +1 561 282 6592 for a free quote. It's that simple. Are you licensed and insured? Absolutely. We are fully licensed and insured. This ensures your protection and ours. Can you provide references from past clients? Yes, we can. We have a list of satisfied customers who can vouch for our work. Feel free to ask for references. What type of remodeling services do you offer? We offer a wide range of services. This includes kitchen, bathroom, and whole house remodeling. Whatever you need, we've got you covered. How long does a typical remodeling project take? The timeline varies depending on the scope of work. We'll provide a detailed timeline before starting. This keeps everyone on the same page. Do you provide a warranty on your work? Yes, we stand behind our work. We offer a warranty on all our remodeling projects. Your satisfaction is our priority. Thank you for watching. For the best Boynton Beach home remodeling contractors, call us at +1 561 282 6592. Contact us for all your remodeling needs. Follow us on social media for updates and project photos. We look forward to working with you.